The Perfect 10. The Clairol Nice and Easy Perfect 10 Permanent Hair Dye Kit provides 100% gray coverage and stunning color. A boost of color. Black hair dye with the perfect balance of lightness, darkness, and tone. Coverage for days. A permanent hair color system that lasts up to 60 days. Nice and Easy. Uses a non-drip formula with micropearls to deliver luxurious color and flawless gloss in just 10 minutes. A complete hair dye kit. Comes with high gloss color cream, color blend activator, color seal conditioner, and expert gloves. High speed, high gloss. The Perfect 10 High Speed, High Gloss Hair Color gives 100% gray coverage that lasts up to 60 days. Expert level results. The Perfect 10 will add depth to the natural tones of your hair. Salon-inspired cream formula. Its cream formula deeply penetrates each strand from inside out for rich color. Perfect color comb enables a precise application. Top reviews from the United States. The best toner. Use for toning your hair if you have any orange. Awesome.